You got me mid-fried. Alright,
No,
let's play
I
with
flew at you
your...
mid-flight and just collided with you. Like I'm because I only have the ones that make me fly now like this.
Yeah.
So I got you mid-flight by flying at you. I became the entity. I became the arrow. Now you would die.
Well, technically, if I make the... technically, the fourth map, I'm planning to actually make, like, God kids right at the start. But you
You
can
are not
choose a damn
people.
kid. So technically, I will include the kid called Poseidon, and you will get this trident. So when you use this trident, or you will use the Cosmos one
No,
instead.
no, 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 no. I'll use both. I'll use a combination.
Or well, I will add the most powerful Cosmos one that just now you used that one in the map somewhere. It's a legendary item. I'm not gonna include it right at the start because it's too
Can I
OP.
make my own? Can I
Yes,
make
you
my own
can.
legendary?
I'm planning. Maybe you can make one of your
You
own
got cut off.
kits. Oh
You got
yeah.
very cut off.
Uh, remember you can make a kit in
Okay.
the
No,
previous
no.
map.
Okay.
I made a kit
Yep.
for you. Yeah, you're gonna make your own kit this time.
Okay. No, no. I have an idea for. See, here's the thing.
What?
I'm gonna make my kit leather armor.
Yeah.
I'm
With a
gonna make it
bow.
leather armor at with the strength and durability of a diamond armor.
Yeah, you can make that.
Yeah, exactly.
Armor
I'm gonna color it
toughness.
so I'm gonna color it to like a watery color
Alright.
or whatever.
Yeah, but it's a starter kit though. Not too OP. maybe you can include sets of your armor in the map as legendary items. Maybe that's the fourth map. The possible map. Technically, the possible is actually the impossible, and the impossible is actually the possible. Because the impossible is so easy.
Would you like to repeat that? Would you like to repeat that?
Would you like to repeat that, please? So, oh my god, 2 hearts. I lost.
Really? How did I know? Why am I not flying? It's not working. My try. No. Okay, finally. Like, it legit was not working just now.
How did you kill me first? I clearly shot it. Oh shit.
You were not prepared.
Technically, you shot the damn trident and you missed. Shoot. Shoot. I impaled the ground.
You missed.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh,
Hi.
you missed! Oh shit! Oh, I can't show the damn trident. It deals so much damage. Oh yeah, because I have the Cosmos on with powerful
Get
armor
out of here.
toughness.
Get out of here. Then drown.
Get out of here! Get out of here! What? 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 Okay. I'm out. I'm out.
You can't hit me. I'm too strong. And your retreat. Okay, you're dead.
Yeah,
Get
then.
over here.
Get over here, then. Get over here. I have one trident. You have two. Whoops. Oh, whoops. Okay. I must take.
Yeah, but neither of them are the throwing kind. And it's basically one trident. It's just I have two because I didn't make them unbreakable.
Right.
You missed pretty bad. You're dead now.
I'm not.
Now you're gonna be dead.
Ah, not.
Fly! Damn it! Fly! Why do you not fly?
Where are you? Where are you? You're getting
Stop
creepy
hiding.
away from me.
Stop
You're gonna
hiding.
take 4 damage. Oh crap! I'm getting lag backs. Well, I did not die.
You got the hit.
I hit you.
Didn't. Didn't take any hits.
What?
Did you miss? You missed! Why did I not fly? Oh, hey. No, it did not let me fly for like 5 throws straight.
I do not know why.
Alright? I got screwed with by the game. 5 throws straight, I was like, no, you're not throwing it.
You're not trying. You're not throwing it. Oh shit! I'm gonna get killed by a drone. Where is it? I'm gonna kill the drone. Then I'm gonna
kill that
kill
trident.
it.
No, I'll kill that trident drone first. I killed it. Haha.
You stole my kill.
Yes, I did. Now what you gonna do about it?
I got 1 heart. Where are you?
I'm near the boat, man.
I got killed
I'm
by a drown. I got killed by another drown. Oh! Oh my god! Die. Where are you? No! I hit you once and then you killed me. Fair and square.
Really now?
Really now? Really now? Really now? Really?
No,
Poseidon is the best.
Crescent Rose.
Well, technically, you know why I named this Poseidon? Because it reminded me in some footage. Remember what you said? You say, yeah, the Poseidon, and then you are the user of tridents. Yeah, technically you said that. So I made this trident technically for you. Maybe.
Interesting, I'm not using it though. Did you just...
Whoa! The combo attack. I need to know how to use this damn thing. Oh, I got in the boat. Got in the boat. Oh, oh what the heck? You're charging the dead. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Okay.
So am I. You're dead. You're just gonna die from 4 damage. I'm just gonna stand here. You didn't die from 4 damage. Commendable. What the fuck?
Oh shit! I'm lagging. That's not fair. Never mind.
Dude, I lag all the time.
Yeah, I know
What do you
that.
mean?
Where are you? I don't trust myself there.
I don't trust the drone over there. Like, the moment you land, they're just gonna hit you and kill you.
Yeah, kill you.
Congrats, your trident used twice as much damage as mine.
Okay, let's see who can beat. I
I feel
forgot.
like the tridents are gonna hit me there.
Okay. Oh shit!
Just, I destroyed some kill. Whoops. Ah, the trident.
Oh wow!
Boy, teaming up you teaming up with the drone now, huh?
Ah, the drown is
What,
blocking my path.
They're blocking my path. They're right in front of me. I can't go anywhere.
Poseidon, god of the ocean.
Now Poseidon is weak.
God of the ocean. You aren't gonna
Poseidon
mess
is
with
weak.
this.
Right? Just yours use more damage with Igamor's skill. Get the heck out of here, down. Wait a minute. One of them has an enchanted bow.
What? You
But
mean a
he's not using
fishing
it,
rod?
he's using it to whack me, sure.
Oh.
He didn't drop it.
Ah, what the heck? What the heck? Never mind, I can renew the damn server.
Uh-oh.
Well, technically we are both good at tridents, huh? I see that.
Yes.
So you think you're better than me?
No. Then, huh? Come on.
Come on!
Yo, into the... Hey, go into the boat without taking 4 damage. I've done it multiple times. Come on. You got this.
Yeah, I know I got it.
Oh, so wait 1 sec. Let me stop sharing this first. I think that's what's causing my lag. Not sure about yours.
Oh. Oh crap!
Yo,
The
I'm coming.
I'm technically gonna deal with it. You want to fight? What? 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 Did he just impale me in midair?
No, I got him. I killed him. Why'd you leave?
Flying is not enabled. Flying is not enabled. Bullshit.
You're not enabled. That's interesting. So you're cheating, aren't you? Huh?
No, I'm
Now
not.
we know. Now we know. TX Inferno cheats.
No, I'm not. Cheating. Okay, so let's build your base.
So,
They're gonna kill me actually. Holy cow! The trident deals a lot of damage. I got out the boot safely.
thing is, yours deals like twice as much as mine.
What? Sharpness
Yeah.
8.
Like how much damage? Like how many hits does yours take to kill me? 2, right? How much does mine take to kill you?
A lot.
2, 3. It's either 2 or 3 or maybe 4.
I think I just got impaled by a drown. But well, the Cosmos one is even more deadly.
Cosmos 1 is weak. You can't even fly with it.
Yeah, but
That's
it's
how you know it's
technically
weak. If
for
you can't
mandate.
fly with it, it's weak, okay? That's all
I
you need to
can't-
know. Flying is everything. Wow, baby drone and trident is annoying here.
Well, you have full armor with it.
What?
When you hold the trident, the trident of Cosmos, you have full armor. You have basically diamond, better than diamond armor status because the armor toughness is at max.
Nice.
So technically that trident is OP. That's why I'm not giving it at the start, it's too OP. The Poseidon one is weak.
You know what I'm doing?
What?
I'm not moving with WASD, I'm only moving with the trident. It's pretty horrible. Not gonna lie. It's pretty shit.
Well, Riptide 10 do this, what about just Riptide 3? Did you just snipe
Sorry.
me?
No, I was aiming for the...
Yeah, I know.
Did you see that? I did the most perfect landing into the boat ever.
Well, technically I can do that. You just need to aim at the sail.
No, I said I didn't even hit the sail. This was what happened.
Crap. I hit the sail and then...
Wait, watch this. Get out of the way. Okay, not that, Rip.
Oh,
But
yep,
what happened was, I flew.
Hit the bait.
I flew. I hit this thing. I just flew across it and landed right here.
Oh, what?
Like I skidded across the wood. Get out of our boat.
Wow!
Sorry.
Get out! Okay.
No, that.
Yeah, I can two-shot
You see
you.
that? I'm at half a heart. Anything could one-shot me.
Actually,
I-
technically, you can actually two-shot me as well. The reason why you are not doing it because my trident is giving me half armor protection.
No, here's the
5
thing.
bars.
Did you see that?
What?
I shot and landed in this hole right here.
Amazing.
Also, I'm at half heart. Literally anything can one-shot me.
Is that a punch?
I'm not wearing any armor. Stop.
I'm wearing armor. An unbreakable armor.
I just, you know why I punched you? Because I know you're gonna try to punch me and just one-shot me with a punch. Not even a trident.
Oh shit!
I knew it. I knew you were gonna do that.
Oh my! Wow! You can actually. Wow! Wow!
Try again. Try again.
I opened the damn chest instead. Oh yeah, the Trident of Cosmos actually have a higher attack speed.
Come on, into the boat. Perfect. You missed.
I actually entered the boat. No, I entered it. I just creeped through the dead.
Nice.
Hey, dude. Hi, dude.
Nice. You piece of shit. I say nice, I compliment you.
Wow.
Boom, direct hit. Get out. Ability.
Oh yeah. My Trident is actually better than yours.
Hi.
Clearly, you take no damage. What is that?